dear students and teachers, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. In the light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and hope that gives us strength is our teacher. Today we celebrate the Teachers' Day. It is a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for our children. On this beautiful day, let us take this opportunity to thank all our teachers and send our best wishes to all our gurus who mold our future, who have impeccable contribution in the growth of our students. Let us thank God for all our teachers and our gurus, our parents. Let us honor them with great respect and honor for their great sacrifice in molding us in the shape of what God wants to be. Dear teachers, as we celebrate the Teachers' Day, let us thank God for giving us a beautiful day in our life to commemorate and encourage ourselves, motivate ourselves to become a better teacher. Dear parents and dear students, we thank you for cooperating with all our teachers during these difficult times of pandemic 2019. You are all aware, St. Arnold's High School and Junior College and Degree College has reached out every student in the best way that is possible. Dear teachers, we would like to thank you for your great service and great sacrifice that you have done for our institution. Above all, you have done a great sacrifice for all our children. You have kept them informed every subject, everything that has happening in and around the world. Dear students, remember, your parent is the first teacher, and the second teacher is the teacher who teaches in your class. Remember, she has sacrificed herself, her desires, her interests, just for your sake. And today I appeal to all of you, kindly cooperate with every teacher of your class and of your subject, that she molds you in a better way, the way God wants her to mold you, and the way God wants you to be molded by his teacher. St. Arnold's High School and Junior College has its own values in reaching out every child. We are aware during this pandemic time also, St. Arnold's High School and Junior College as well as Degree College has reached out every child of our institution. Therefore, my dear teachers, students, and my dear parents, I implore God's blessings upon you all so that we all of us collaborate with each other for the greater glory of our students and for their well-being. Once again, I would like to thank all our teachers, all our parents and students cooperating with the management with St. Arnold's High School and Junior College and Degree College for being greater part of our life. Dear teachers, we thank you for your service that you have rendered to all our students. May God bless you all. Thank you once again.